Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Black Shark 5 Pro. I will cover everything you need to know about this, probably the most anticipated gaming phone on the market. Special thanks to my partners Eva, Cheerio, and YM Tech. Video sponsored by Geekbench.com. Please make sure to subscribe to their channels, and of course mine as well. Regarding the unboxing, we have an insert with some Chinese text on it, usually some very corny gaming model. And in my opinion, for those who came up with this idea should be fired. I even feel embarrassed to translate. I'm glad that most of you guys don't know Chinese. Open it, we have the pen, some paperwork, and a black phone case. Looks not like those cheap transparent one, though feels the same cheap shit. Then the phone, we'll take a closer look later. Then a 120 watts fast charging adapter, the Type-C cable, that's it. Now moving to the phone. First, let's take a quick look at the design. We have what they call meteorite black. Many of you guys complain that the Black Shark 4 is not gaming-like at all. Now the 5 feels very low profile but gives you a cyberpunk feel, isn't it? The back panel offers a matte finish which feels smooth and is not easy to gather fingerprints. If we take a closer look, we have some great patterns embedded there. Moving to the camera module, we have 2 bumps here. Buy 1 bump, get 1 bump free. Awesome. There is a breathing light beside the camera. While we are waiting for it to power on, let's check out other designs of the phone. On the right side, we obviously have 2 magnetic triggers and 2 shoulder keys, which Black Shark has teased about it for a long time. From our first impression, the triggers feel much more solid and crispier. Just check out the sound. I can literally play these buttons for a long time. The shoulder keys feel better than on the 4th generation as well. Then the power key in the middle. Moving to the bottom, we have the speaker, Type-C port, mic and SIM card slot. And we have the volume rocker on the left side. On the top, we have another speaker and a mic. No audio jack if you are curious to know. It's a pretty standard Black Shark phone. The middle frame is made of metal with this glossy finish. Looks good but feels it doesn't match the back color. What do you think? But one thing I do want to point out is they made the back middle part curved to the screen side, which has a better grip when you are holding it. Regarding the specs of the Black Shark 5 Pro, it's equipped a 6.67-inch OLED display. This 10-bit panel supports HDR10 Plus and DCI-P3 color gamut. The display boasts 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch summary rate while tracking multiple fingers. The 5 Pro, powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, hit the Antutu, which easily tops the list, and here is the Geekbench score. The chip is stored cooled by 2 vapor chambers. The total heat dissipation area reaches 5,320 mm². Sounds badass. How is it in real life? We tried Genshin Impact and the Glory of Kings 2 games. For the former, we tried in 60 FPS and high graphics for 40 minutes, and here are the results. The average FPS is 58. That's quite good and stable. That means that gigantic heat dissipation sensor works. But we fear the phone became a little bit too hot to hold. We don't suggest to play games in such an extreme way. For the Glory of Kings, since it's not that demanding as the Genshin Impact, so even if we put to 120 FPS ultra high graphics, the average FPS is 117 and we didn't fear the phone getting obviously hot. It's definitely a decent gaming phone for sure. For those 2 shoulder keys, I think you wouldn't be unfamiliar with them as we've seen in many gaming phones. Basically, one simple press triggers 2 actions and you will always be faster than your enemies. There's also an X linear motor for better haptic feedback. Of course, how can we miss the battery test for the gaming phone? We charged the phone from 20% to 39% in 2 minutes, 54% in 4 minutes, 87% in 10 minutes, and to 100% in just 30 minutes and a half. That's crazy fast. Before I even realized it, the phone fully topped up. What's killer about the audio quality? Since it's a gaming phone, we compare it with iPhone 13 Pro. But for photos, we tested some as well. Luckily, we've also received the Black Shark 5-channel Spaceflight edition, and here's the brand new design. I will just put more specs on the screen so you can check them out. Alright, that's our unboxing and hands-on of the Black Shark 5 Pro. For the pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. In one sentence, the 5 Pro is yet another astonishingly powerful upgraded gaming phone you can buy on the market right now. But how is it compared to the Red Magic 7 Pro? I will let you know in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!
Okay.